So the DC director, when I check in the promo and I try to fill the text that I have now in the table, there is no information, no data to show uh, below the table. So B, there is the information about that because when I try to check for another table, if I select one data that I filtered and there is no data in the table, it should be displayed or formation data to show or outline the feature. Okay, but there is no information anything. If I try to filter the data that have now in the table promo, so should be there is information so that the user that know if the data that them filtered is not displayed in the table or in not in the table. Okay.